Okay, let's go with problem number two. So problem number two says we are given with three sets. They have sizes 5, 10 and 15. How many elements can their union and their intersection have? इस तरह का problem हमने assignment 1 में किया था. So be careful, many students are making this mistake, doing this mistake. Never take any specific sets when you are doing proofs. Proofs should be generalized. We cannot take, like, for example, for this kind of problem, set A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to X, Y, Z and so on. We don't know what kind of sets we are going to have, whether they have some common elements or they do not have any common elements. We do not know. So proofs हमेशा generalized होते हैं. We cannot take specific sets. हमारे पास बस तीन sets हैं, A, B, C. Fine. So we just have three sets, A, B, C. We don't know what they are. It could be some people, it could be some numbers, it could be some objects. Fine. So okay. So we are interested in the size of union of these three sets. What will be the size of A union B union C? And then we will see intersection. So we are looking for the range of the size of union. Like this union should be greater than this much and less than this much in general. But in this problem, we are given the numbers 5, 10, 15. Okay, so we consider two cases. What if all sets have nothing in common? जो तीन sets A, B, C हैं, they have nothing in common. तीनों के distinct, unique elements हैं. तो उनके union का size क्या होगा? So the union will have maximum elements in it. It will have elements, all elements of A, which are 5 elements. It will have all elements of B, which are 10 elements. It will have all elements of C, which are 15 elements. So now you know the size of union. It is obvious. Fine. Now the second case. What if the smaller sets are fully contained in the larger set? There are maximum intersection among the sets. जो छोटे वाले sets हैं, suppose A and B are smaller sets, C is the larger sets. So A and B are fully contained in C. So when we are taking union of A, B, C, we know elements cannot be repeated. अगर A का elements आ गया तो वो दोबारा नहीं आएगा. So the union will have elements of only the larger sets. Smaller sets elements are already in there. So the size of union, what it will be, it is quite obvious now. So now let's look at the size of intersection of three sets, A intersection B intersection C. Just like union, we have to consider the two cases. In general, we are looking for the range of size of intersection, but in this problem we are given 5, 10, 15, so we will know the range will be between which number to which number. So again, the first case, what if all sets have nothing in common? सबके अपने अपने यूनिक एलिमेंट्स हैं, कोई कॉमन एलिमेंट्स नहीं है. So the intersection will have, you know what will be the intersection if nothing is common. So it will have minimum elements, and minimum elements mean you know the answer. So the size of intersection will be intersection. So you can answer this thing. So what if the smaller sets are fully contained in the largest set? The smaller sets हैं, in fact the smallest set is fully contained. Smallest set is fully contained in the larger sets. So it could be in one set or it could be in multiple sets. लेकिन जो सबसे smallest set है, it is contained in the larger sets. So in that case, the intersection will have elements of only the smallest set, and the size of intersection will be, it is quite obvious now. So we have got the minimum size, we have got the maximum size of both cases, in case of union, in case of intersection. So now you can answer the size of union will be starting from which point till which point, and size of intersection will start from which point till which point. Thank you very much.